Welcome students to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the limitations of computer. In the previous video I discussed about the advantages of computer. So here we are going to see what are the disadvantages of computer. So come students, we'll go inside the video. So we know what is a computer. So it's an electronic device. It takes input from the users and it gives output after processing. Now I've also discussed about advantages. So it can store large amount of information. It has quick processing. Audio visual aids can be used. It's a better presenter of information. We can access internet. So we can quickly communicate the students, teachers and parents. These are advantages of computers. So beside that, we can also send email through which we can communicate with our friends and for business purposes. And we can use it for backup and recovery. So users can back up copies of their work easily without having to rewrite everything. And anytime we can recover the data needed. For education, computers plays a major role for helping the students to study well. So we'll move on to disadvantages of computer. Prolonged use of computer might lead to disorders of injuries of wrist, neck, back and eyes. So we get health risk problems. Next, when using the internet on computer, we are on a high risk of leaking the private information. Hackers may hack our systems. Trojans and malware can infiltrate the system and give access of our accounts to hackers. So we have to protect our system. So security is more essential. What's the impact of computers on the environment? Manufacturing process of computer and computer waste are harmful to the environment. When computer junk is discarded in open grounds, they release harmful chemicals like lead and mercury to the environment. So because of this, the disposed computer can cause fire which will affect our environment. Next, the safety and integrity of data is very essential for any business. So hackers gain access to our computer and will create problems to the integrity of our data. So we have to take safe measures to protect our data from the hackers. So we have to provide data security. Excess use of computer can cause poor blood circulation because we'll be sitting almost all of the time. So our body will not have any movement and so the blood circulation in our body will become poor. As computers are becoming more and more easy to access, at the same time, human beings are becoming very lazy and physically human beings are becoming inactive. We are spending most of the time in front of the computer and we are not involving in physical activities like games, sports, etc. So computers cannot think, it cannot care of its own, it does not have any feelings. So it creates health hazards on human beings. So these are all the limitations of computer or disadvantages of computers. So thank you students for your attention. Keep on watching and subscribe. Thank you, students.